Hi, I'm going to show you how to do the crochet crab stitch. It's a reverse single crochet. I used an eye hook and medium worsted yarn, and you don't need any certain type of amount of stitches, and you can use any type of hook size, and you can use any type of yarn. And it's a pretty easy stitch. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to slip stitch a new color in for the top border, and I'm just doing a sample. And I'm going to chain one to get started, and you do not turn your work like you normally would. You're going to go backwards. So you're going to go take your hook into the stitch next to it, grab the yarn and do a single crochet, and then just repeat that. Insert your hook into the next stitch from left to right, grab the yarn, and then yarn over and pull through two. And this is a reverse single crochet, which is considered the crab stitch. It's real pretty simple to do, and you're just going to do this all the way until you get to the end. And this is a really nice pretty border when finished. Okay, you're going to slip stitch in that last stitch and pull through to complete, and this is how you work that stitch. And then you can take your yarn needle and weave in all your ends, and then it's going to look like this. It looks really nice when finished. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe.